here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, your upstate's Bennington dealer. Today I'm standing on a 2023 Bennington 21 SLX. This boat is a tri-tune with the full SBS tri-tune package. It's going to be powered by a Yamaha 150 horsepower engine. It will have a ski tow bar on the back of it as well. This is the Monaco blue with the silver interior and the bamboo woven flooring. One of my favorite colors on the market. It really pops on the water. Thomas is going to give you a quick walk around on the outside and hand the boat over to me so I can show you some of the nice features on the inside of this boat. All right. This is one of our more traditional floor plans, but I'll tell you what, I really like it. That nice L-shaped chase lounge there in the back will be completely covered by the 10-foot bimini top, so you can get lots of people out of the sun for a longer day on the water. And then you still get these two really long forward chase loungers with backrests. And I like how the seats wrap around in the front to give you a nice, comfortable seating arrangement. That table is removable. Let's walk you up to the helm here. As always, we've upgraded the radio to the Rockford Fosgate PMX2 Bluetooth stereo. We flush mounted the Garmin Striker 4. Does have full instrumentation as well. You've got a nice sun pad area here, and that's also a great area for storage. Like I was saying earlier, we will have a 150 horsepower Yamaha engine on the back of this with a ski tow bar. All these motors are in stock. We're just waiting to put the motors on them before delivery. And we're going to have quite the selection of boats here at MarineMax in Greenville. Be sure to come on by and see us. We do have a bunch on the showroom floor as well if you want to get out of the weather and look at them too. Looking forward to seeing you. Thank you very much.